This family is shopping at the Salvation Army DMG grocery store in Baltimore, Maryland. DMG stands for Doing the Most Good, the motto of the worldwide Protestant charity organization, known for its thrift shops and food pantries in the United States. Customer Joann Weaver is impressed with the selection and the lower than average grocery store prices, which helps stretch her food budget.
It's the first time I haven't had to ride more than 4 miles, because I usually go all over the place to the stores.
Catholic priest Samuel Lupico used to serve in a church in this neighborhood. He is impressed with the nutritious food, which he says will help people who usually cannot afford to make healthy meals.
And I love it because it provides an opportunity for people who don't have stores like this to shop in one without paying for transportation to get out.
Major Gene Hogg, Central Maryland commander for the Salvation Army, came up with the idea of a grocery store for people with low incomes to help them prepare healthier food.
Typically, they've been raised to buy frozen chicken and heat it up, or they stop by a McDonald's. But we can encourage them and let them taste what good, cooked, healthy food could be.
Aaron Keating came into the store for the first time.
To see any sort of company moving in that has a charitable mission, I think is a good thing for the neighborhood. And if that mission is to supply food to people for a cheap price, I'm for it.
Most of the customers receive government food assistance. They can join a loyalty program that gives them something free each month.
Whether it's free chicken or free light bulbs, whatever we have in order to help them stretch their dollars.
The store also offers nutrition guidance, meal planning, and hires people from the neighborhood. They can learn job skills so they can work at other grocery stores. And in keeping with Salvation Army tradition,
hi, how are you doing today?
Store manager Jim Farace says DMG also takes food to homeless shelters.
150 meals a night. So it's a grocery store, but yet it's also a social service. It has a social service aspect of it.
But despite the similarities with other grocery stores, DMG has one big difference.
Our business model is really to break even, right? If we do better than that, then the proceeds from this will go to support our program called Catherine's Cottage for women who've been rescued from human trafficking.
If the experiment works, Hogue hopes more Salvation Army grocery stores will be opened in disadvantaged neighborhoods in the United States. Deborah, VOA News, Baltimore.